Okay, guys, we're going live in 3, 2, 1. Let's pump it. All right, 911 videos, 911. Interesting, very nice that I'm doing this video on this full moon in Libra day, guys. Bitcoin is currently absolutely pumping on full moon, okay? And so is crypto. We are exploding, and I don't know about you, but in this video, you and I are going to have some fun out there together. We are going to delve into the best crypto that you guys can get some good action in on. So do not even miss one single second of this entire video right here, right now, together. Let's go make this happen. Thank you for being here with me today on the Crypto Bliss channel. I truly appreciate every single last one of you blessed and beautiful beings. Let's not even waste one single moment here. Let us get the right thing on the flow for you guys here today. I'm looking at something. Oh, that's why. Just give me a moment. All right, there you go, guys. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. So, anyways, guys. So I pumped this video. I don't know why you guys only 20 of you watched this, guys. I mean, really, this was a crazy video for you guys to go and watch. We are literally officially on our way back up to going to smash through to this 100K level. And I don't know about you guys, but I ain't missing out on nothing. So I hope you guys will subscribe to the channel. I got some cool stuff whipping it out here for you guys. So I truly appreciate every single one of you blessed, benevolent beings. Let's get on to this level. All right, guys. So today, I'd love for you guys to come over here, check out my Twitter page, my Twitter profile. I do post for you guys. It's getting a little bit better, but, it still needs some work there. I will make sure that we are literally going to go crazy. So here is something, guys. There's a lot of news happening out there in the market. And here, Mario Norful is currently busy talking about the Trump press conference after the trial. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about the politics that are happening out in the US in this video here today, because all of that is going to concern you and I as a crypto investor or crypto trader. So make sure to stay tuned, because we are going to delve into some crazy info throughout the next couple of days. So today, the cryptocurrency market cap is currently sitting at $2.784 trillion. We're up 6.3% for the day. Okay, amazing. The trading volume has depleted tremendously, but as you can see, it is now starting to make a turn back up to the upside. And we are literally just on the way up now. So for us, guys, we are going to absolutely require some crazy stuff coming out here. So we will start to see way more volume come into this place once again, guys. This is definitely one coin that I am very interested in, DGen. Maybe we'll talk a bit about it a little bit later. But right now, absolutely, we have Bitcoin currently sitting at 70,155, up 7.4% on the day. Ethereum's up 6.8% on the day. If you guys took a 10x leverage trade today, you would be up 74% and 68% retrospectively. So I hope you guys are doing some cool things. Again, Tether continues to print money. We are now $2 billion more than we were in my video here even just 2 days ago. So, guys, this is something that you need to just keep an eye out on that. BNB is up 6.8%. Solana is up 10.9%. XRP is up 3.6%. And Dogecoin up 5.4, Cardano up 5.4, Avalanche 9.7, Toncoin 11.4, Shiba 7.3, Polkadot 6.6, and Chainlink 6.6, guys. So, for me, I think we are on the way to the top here. Do not miss out on a single moment of this video, because right now, we will talk about DGen in a short little moment. But as you can see, guys, the crypto market is officially pumping today. ICP, I don't know if you guys have been in ICP with me, but I've been in not in a trade, but I got in a margin trade. So margin is different to leverage, but we'll touch base on that in a little moment. But just simply put, you can buy spot and use a little bit of margin from the amount that's in your spot trade to basically leverage the trade to the upside. So you can make more gains buying spot, but that's a margin trade. So it's very similar to derivatives, except in margin, I think your max is 10x. whereas in your derivatives, it's more like up to 125, 150x. So in some instances, like 200x. So, that's very, very, very risky leverage. And I would say to you guys, don't do that. Start off slow. Start off with like a 2, 3, 4, 5x leverage, 5x at the max if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do know what you're doing, then, like 10 to 20x, even 25x in some instances are really amazing. And just with very short moves, you can actually make lots and lots of profit. So subscribe and hit my Bybit link down below. If you guys want to trade with me, you guys can make up to $30,000 deposit bonus there. Get it, $30,000 deposit bonus. And with my Bitflex link, you guys can get $88,888. And you guys can actually have so much fun and use that bonus to come and trade all of these coins, guys. I mean, look at all of the amazing coins that we have on the list here today. And I would say to you that this is looking absolutely awesomely juicy. So hope you guys are so far enjoying this. And YK, I have got you in mind. I will talk about CTI a little bit later today on the show. Stay tuned. So just stay tuned. I will do it. I will talk about it in a little moment. So anyways, guys, we will come back to there, but let's draw back to our Morales money bubbles. You can see, so now I'm in a 3x margin trade on ICP. So I'm now like 60% up on my trade just for today. Okay, that's excluding what I've previously done. And ICP, guys, is for me one of the most incredible favorites out there in the market. No doubt about it. Okay. Now you come over to the banter bubbles and you have a little bit of fun on the banter bubble side of things. The banter bubbles are also pumping. Now you can see here, this is today, and they have a larger kind of audience of the top 100 bubbles here. And you can see that really everything is in the green. There's one in the red, and that's down only 2%. Two in the red, down like 2% and less. So no, there's not much blood in the streets today, guys, which is really good. Floki's getting a 12.8% pump today. Ondo 14.56. So that trade that I did, I tried to take a trade, an Ondo trade, but it didn't come down. But I did get into another trade this morning on Pepe, and I will show you guys that trade a little bit later because I'm officially up 14. Well, actually, I'm up 15%. Sorry, I took a 15x trade. So 15 times 15 is like 450% essentially that I'm up on that trade. My whiff, I did buy some spot on there. So guys, don't miss out. Don't miss out on trading. Hit my links down below, guys. We are making killer gains. And even if you're just buying on spot and you're taking $100 and you're getting 18%, 18.6%, and you bank it today, you can put that into $118 into another trade tomorrow and do the same thing over and over, and eventually you'll build your capital reserves, guys. Now the fear and greed index is back into the greed, not extreme greed anymore. We're down at 75 from yesterday's 74, which is very, very interesting. Now, obviously, there's a lot of news to go through with you guys, so make sure to subscribe to my channels and like the video. And, of course, share this so that people can come and join us on this live session, guys. Obviously, we want to be talking about whatever is coming up in the market, and that's why I'm going to have a look at two of my most favorite ex-followers, follow leaders in the space, BTC Archive, and we'll go and talk about my next one shortly. So, from BTC Archive, guys, I'm going to start right at the top, which means it's the most recent to like the least recent, okay? So I'm only going to go down a little bit, and we'll talk a little bit about some of the stuff that we are looking for from this market space at the moment. So breaking, London Stock Exchange to launch a new market for Bitcoin exchange traded notes. ETNs on 28th of May. Guys, this is going to continue to pump. That is after the halving date. Where, like it's about a month to a month and a month, call it a month after the halving date, a month and a few days, guys. This is going to continue to pump the ETFs as well and Bitcoin price. Okay, so Bitcoin price is very different. We're at 70,000 right now, and I don't know about you, but BlackRock and Fidelity's are having much higher inflows than what Grayscale is having outflows at the moment. So I don't know about you, but I mean, even today's inflows were making the outflows look ridiculous. So I like that. And as you can see here, the outflows are a little bit more, but yet we're pumping the Bitcoin price. So I don't know about you guys, but really, we're at the 2021 bull market high once again. And if you guys see, the ETFs had the first week of outflows after 7 consecutive weeks of inflows, mainly due to BlackRock and Fidelity inflows drying up, while Grayscale outflows remained high. So Grayscale are selling about 5,000 Bitcoin a day, but in the meantime, these two, Fidelity and BlackRock, are inhaling that 5,000 per day. So why at the moment are we actually starting to see Grayscale? You know, what's the idea behind Grayscale? Because they went through all the work, energy, and effort to go and get their spot ETFs launched, but now they're selling everything. Obviously, they need to take profits, and we know that one or two of the companies that are holding their BTC in GBTC need to also take some profits and get their Bitcoin out. So essentially, they're selling GBTC because GBTC fees are very high and shifting that into into Bitcoin and Fidelity. So how does this actually make sense? Because are GBTC trying to kill their business? Because essentially, if they continue to do this, they've got like another 90 days or so worth of runway to sell. Then what happens then? They dried up. Then what happens, guys? So who knows, you know, what actually is happening behind the doors? We don't know. But of course, this is partial manipulation, but at the same time, it is partial strategic planning from investors that know that they are gearing themselves up and getting ready for the biggest, craziest bull cycle in the history of crypto. Okay. So we're breaking through right now. We're pumping, guys. These are all pumps from earlier on. But basically, Biden just signed a $1.2 trillion spending bill. And here is what $1 trillion in cash will look like. Okay. So this video here, you can see this is $10 million next to a kind of a laptop case. This is $100 million. Okay. Or the dude can't really fit next to it. Then you have what's this? $100 billion, $1 billion. Okay, there you go. And now this is going to end up being, I mean, look at that. $10 billion. Holy schmoly, guys. Look at this. $100 billion next to a truck. Okay. Then this like really starts to become unfathomable, guys. $1 trillion is insane amounts of money. And that's why I don't know why Biden is getting away with this. But, you know, Bitcoin is definitely going on its way up to 80K, even 100K, like I just said. So the Bitcoin halving is on track to be 420. Do you know how much 420 is currently happening in my personal life, guys? So much is busy happening now. You know, this is very, very exciting. I'm even so excited. I'm going to really, in fact, I want to quote that. Sorry. So I'm going to do that right here, right now with you guys. 420. Yeah. Okay. Then on top of it, you have Bitcoin, like just literally 30K away from 100,000. Like this was obviously a few days ago. But we're 30K from 100,000. Now, guys, just touching on this Biden $1.2 trillion spending bill. Well, let's go and actually have a look at what this person is doing. So Biden vows to forge ahead with student loan handouts. Has 4 words for all his critics. Okay. So Biden is not backing down on student loans just months ahead of his rematch with Trump. I'm not even going to watch this video with you guys, but basically, despite the national debt soaring past 34.5 trillion in the US Supreme Court previously serving as a roadblock for such handouts to loan borrowers, the American president is again vowing to forgive the borrowed sums. From day one, I promised to fix broken student loan programs and make sure higher education is a ticket to the middle class, not a barrier to opportunity, wrote Biden. Now, guys, I don't know about this. I mean, but look at this. Look at his language. a ticket to the middle class. All I can say is, fuck that shit. Get yourself some crypto, no financial advice, and come and become financially free. Set yourself and your family financially free away from the burdens of becoming a middle-class citizen where you just hobble and struggle along from paycheck to paycheck, hand-to-mouth bullshit, guys. Don't do that, okay? And this isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing with you. This guy, I mean, he's just, yeah, this is his 4 words. I'm not backing down. Whoop-de-doo. Okay, good luck to you, dude. Like, good luck to you. Good luck to your journey. I think you're going to see a ton of crazy stuff. Really just go through an abundance of just epic failures right now in the new Senate. Let's go and have a quick squiz at some of the news before we get onto some of the charts. Hong Kong woman scammed out of nearly $1 million after sending money to fake crypto trading platform. Don't be fooled. Only use the links that I have put down underneath here. If you are a beginner trader, if you are a pro trader, you know what to do. Okay. But don't use anything that you are not given to by me personally on this channel only. Okay. Ava Lab CEO issues warning, says rise of trash layer 2s will fill the void of Sam Bankman-Fried. Okay. The Bitcoin is about to make another wave. Well, that wave is currently underway. We've had 2 weeks of bearishness, and we are now moving out of that. So Bitcoin investors are likely to take chips off the table amid BTC halving induced excitement, according to the Glassnode analyst. I'm not quite sure. If we start to get to 100 to 120K, I'm sure people are going to start taking profits at 100K, guys, because Bitcoin in its life has never seen a 6-digit price tag. So that is on the cards for us. And once we do reach that, I think we are going to see a little bit of a settlement, maybe a retracement, and then we are going to see the craziest rallies in crypto we have ever seen, guys. I cannot even tell you. Don't run away from the cycle right now. You are still early. And guys, just by the way, speaking of still early, often in the crypto space, we all have a bit of a joke about when your taxi driver starts speaking to you about crypto. Although Mr. Crypto knows all about that. He was once upon a taxi driver, and then he invested in crypto, and now he's a multi-millionaire in the crypto space and one of the most profound crypto YouTubers out there, guys. And he does crazy trades for all of us. So, that is just one example. Don't be fooled by the noise that is out there. But I was in the steam room now just before this live session. I was in the gym in the steam room, and a few gents started talking about crypto and where it's at right now and how they a little bit scared to get into the market and invest. But guys, I mean, we know already, if you have been watching my channel and subscribed to my channel for some time, you guys know already that we are in for some of the biggest, craziest cycle movements we have ever seen. So, unfortunately, if those people are afraid to risk their capital right now to make the gains that are about to unfold, then those will be the people that we take profits against in the market. That just is the harsh truth and the reality of what the markets are actually, and what that looks like for us from kind of an investor's perspective. So, for me, guys, I don't want to shy away from you making money in this market. That's why you come to this channel. That's why I am just being very real with you, and why I'm not going to tell you to do anything else that I have not yet done myself in this market. Hence, have I shown you any airdrops in this market? No, because I haven't done them as much as I would love to. I run multiple businesses, and all I really do is invest in crypto projects, make some money, take some profits, and reinvest it, so on and so forth. And I do some day-to-day trading, and that's about it, guys. So BTC is in a position to witness bullish momentum reversal, although I am going to be getting into airdrops very soon. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, because that is going to be a very exclusive part of this channel that we will be talking about, guys, because people are becoming crypto millionaires just from airdrops, which is free money. Okay, so BTC is in a position to witness bullish momentum reversal according to analysts, and here is his forecast. We're not going to look at that. The trader predicts rallies for Chainlink and one under the radar gaming altcoin, but there's a catch. Maybe there's a bit of a sit. Anthony Scaramucci says big bump up in demand coming for Bitcoin in the next 10 years. And here's why. And 282 US banks suffer toxic combo that could trigger collapse of $900 billion in total assets at stake. Okay. Holy shit, that is crazy. If that has to collapse, I have no doubt that that money is going to be pulled out. Okay, 900 billion. We're talking about $1 trillion and move into the crypto space, guys. I have no doubt that that will happen. Okay. New restrictions on anonymous crypto and cash transactions are approved by the EU officials. BlackRock's clients are expressing a little bit of demand for Ethereum, according to head of digital assets report. ETF investors are the strong hands after gobbling up BTC amid the recent sell-off. Guys, I don't know about you, okay, but I ain't going anywhere. If we go down, we just buy. We gobble it up like the ETFs are gobbling it up. It is as simple and as truthful as that. Now that you've seen Biden spending $1.2 trillion here, plus having a look at, whatever else he's intending on doing and so on and so forth, this guy is really just turning on the money printer. Now, let's go and have a look at my next favorite cryptopreneur and crypto channel, Stock Money Lizards. Shout out to you, Stock Money Lizards. Stock Money Lizards, guys, come over and subscribe to his channel. He makes great content, but there's nothing to see here. Come back in Q4 of 2024, because that's more or less when we predicting crypto traders like myself and Stock Money Lizards are predicting the end of the bull cycle, guys. So where are we today? We are currently on the end of the third month so basically we're closing the first quarter of 2024 right now. We literally still have at least 5 to 7 quarters left before we start to see any sort of bearish retracement, true and real bearish market tops and retracement, guys. So, for me, we are just at the beginning, and Bitcoin is it is impressive how the cycle has accelerated, forming a new all-time high before the halving. Here is why we believe that this does not mean it ends early and with a disappointing peak. So I like this. I'm going to just delve into this a little bit because I agree. I was telling the guys in the Steam room that right now we have the biggest institutional adoption ever. We have ETFs, we have ETNs coming up, and we have ETPs. So we are literally almost covered on Bitcoin from the electronic traded products and ETFs and ETNs, which tell us that we have yet to see institutional adoption actually come in. We literally are only having inflows into the ETFs right now. So, number one, time from the new all-time high to peak to cycle peak stretches out over the years. The top zone of growth function is the red band, okay? So you can see there, 276 days in this, plus 3,700%, 284 days with 1,400%, 348 days, so this was like an extra 100 days after these guys here, and that was 280%. So there are some sort of diminishing returns, but not quite really. So as you can see here, the potential of this to reach this kind of level, who knows what we could reach in this cycle, but essentially we are yet to see the pump up here cruise onwards to the upside. So sorry, I was reading you that. So top zone of growth function, cycle dynamics oscillates at bottom, indicates there is still a lot of space for growth. And 4, fundamentally all-time high before halving is a novum and super bullish rather than opposite. I agree 100%. Shout out to you, Stock Money Lizards, for the awesome charts out here. This is also the altcoins are pumping. Here is the potential of the chart, 1.9 trillion. I've said that this could probably reach a $4 trillion space this cycle. We haven't even finished the first phase yet. And look at where we are, guys. We haven't even got through this level yet. So the old all-time high is exciting times ahead, guys. really, we are about to go absolutely ballistic. And you can see here that the altcoins total 3. It's easy to see what's happening and what is yet to come. Outlook is bullish for at least a couple of months. So boom, there's a breakout out of the ascending triangle. Boom, breakout, more ascending triangle. Boom, we've broken out. We are now building the pressure up. We broke through the all-time high, created new little price discovery area. So I think that will take us up to that $4 trillion level. Now, let's close off on that. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, and thank you for being here with me. Let's go and check out the comments right now. Is BitTorrent a good coin to invest in? Hey, Capri champion. Okay, Gerardo, I do own some BTTC myself. A small bag. It's a decent coin, and in the top 100. So yeah. So yes, to answer your question, it's a decent coin to have a small bag of. What it can do, we believe that Warren Buffett is indirectly invested into it. So yeah, that is obviously some of the stuff. Now, let's jump onto the charts here, guys. Make sure to come over to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like and share my videos, please. I will also, as I said, have a little bit of a look at CTI and one or two of the other charts out there for you guys. But let's go and tackle. So this one, we need to go and get some trading view there, and we'll look at that chart right at the end for you guys. But let's go and jump in right now on the Bitcoin monthly chart. Look at this monthly chart, guys. Right now, the month is going to close in the next kind of 5. Honestly, I would love to see the monthly time frame. Yeah, there you go, right on the white line. I would like to see the monthly candle close above there. If we can close this monthly candle right above there, guys, the continuation of this upward momentum pattern is undoubtedly going to happen. We have literally been pumping for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green months in one go, guys. This is now officially becoming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have literally now beat the most green candles in a monthly time frame. And that is just the beginning, guys. We are nearly at 71,000 right now, guys. I need you guys to stay focused here. Stay awake. Just give yourself a little bit of a wake up. Okay. Wake yourself up a little bit. Okay. Stay with me. Stay with me. Now, as you can see here, we smashed through all of these levels, guys. If you think we're coming back down, I don't know about you, but if I start to look on the lower time frame, on the weekly, this was an indication to reverse. If this candle, if this kind of next 1, 2 candles cannot close above this peak here, okay, then I will say to you the likelihood of us coming down might be a little bit more. But right now we're pumping. The volume is increasing on the day. We've had a buy up here, a buy up here on these 2 candles, on the support, off the support level, above this support level, which above the 66,000 level, which tells me that we're looking more bullish than bearish, guys. So again, don't be fooled by the candles here. Because essentially the target now, after breaking out of this top here, okay, you can see we broke out of this here. Here is the channel. There's our channel, okay. Boom, we tested, we retested, we pulled back and made our way up. So right now, guys, I mean, yes, there might be a little bit of retest, but if we look at the RSI on the daily time frame is now starting to make its way back up with volume increasing, telling us with the breakout, you know, these are all confirmations to tell us that we are essentially breaking out and now starting to make our way to the next level. And essentially, as I've shown you guys, the previous target to the next level, because this is, as you can see here, let's draw there. That's essentially like another bull flag. So there is the next level at 89,633, guys. So I wouldn't be going anywhere right now, okay? And I certainly would not be taking any profits in my Bitcoin or selling any of my Bitcoin right now because of this. Now, guys, this isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what it is that I'm doing. And I need you guys to obviously check this out for yourself and fiddle around with these things all on your own. Now, as you can see, okay, yes, we might need some pullback now. Maybe we pull back to this little zone. Let's draw a little box here for us. This is how you guys also learn to trade with me. Now, I just want to show you something as well. In fact, there's the neckline that we broke out of. This is the neckline. Look at this beautiful box. In fact, I'm going to widen this box for us and look at that level. Look at that level that we had to break through with that candle. So we definitely, undoubtedly are pushing up. Not only that, there is some sort of, obviously a lot of people have been talking about this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which, this is the top of the neckline. This is the breakout. If we break out there, the top is over there at 75,000. So that is one potential target. If I look at this in a slightly different way, and I tell you that this is also somewhat of a W pattern breaking out of this neckline here, okay, then I take the same, and we put it above the neckline, and then we get the same target of about 75,000. So I think we're going to hit the 75,000. We're probably going to pull back to this box because this was the breakout of the pattern, and the 75,000 is kind of, let's call it like a few, in fact, it's not even that much percentage from this previously broken all-time high now. It's like 2% above it. So that's why I say, guys, we could actually see this pump all the way up to here, then pull back and dump all the way here, creating a new higher low, okay? And then we could start to really get the surplus of this Bitcoin rally right to the top of the target out here at 95K. So you guys can see my thesis. You can see what it is that I'm doing for you. You can see what it is that I'm showing you. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Let's go and have some fun now. Let's go and just check out one or two of the Bitcoin charts. I mean, this is the chart that I keep showing you guys. This is tremendously bullish, this chart. We talk about this chart quite often. Then here is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Bitcoin dominance, you can see now on the monthly time frame, we've had the biggest sell. On the daily time frame, however, you guys can see that we're also getting a little bit of a bullish momentum back up to the upside. Maybe we get some bullish momentum to break through this level. If we don't, we're probably going to fiddle around this area here and just kind of trade sideways on here for a little moment or two longer. Looking tremendously bullish. If we go down to the weekly and the daily, time frame, Ethereum is also making a nice pump out there today. So you can see there it's the same sort of indication. This pullback here, guys, look at this pullback. This is a very, very, very healthy pullback of 25%. Why would you not get a 25% pullback? Now, in today's candle, look at how we're finding support above this box here, guys. We are getting ready in Ethereum to continue the move to the upside, build up the strength to basically break us through this level, pushing us up to the all-time high, probably a pullback, and then a pump to the upside, creating a new all-time high for Ethereum finally, and going into price discovery. So, guys, I don't know about you, but like I keep saying, I'm not going anywhere. The same thing. We aren't even anywhere near the all-time highs in the crypto space, and we have buy volume just absolutely shredding it up to the upside. Look at this doji candle here. Look at this buy that we had in the candle. Look at the push that is continuing up here on the weekly time frame, guys. The same thing is going to continue to happen. We have also officially broken out of the down sloping resistance right there, guys, on this channel. So for me, it is inevitable and undoubtable that we are going to continue to the fundamentals of the upside. Yeah, look at this breakout, same kind of thing. Oops. Maybe what we do is we pump up to this level, kind of do the same thing as Bitcoin is trying to do. And then we have a pullback to this level again, and then a continuous pump, guys. I wouldn't be going anywhere anytime soon because, like I said, the pump up to there would essentially now start, and a pullback to here would essentially start to, on the monthly time frame, form the confirmation of my cup and handle pattern, guys. When once we break through the cup and handle pattern on this, wow, 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 wow. Is all I can tell you. Is all I can tell you. There is $5.5 trillion in market cap, and I said $4 to $8 trillion, guys. So there's $5.5 trillion out of the pattern. I wouldn't be surprised if it just clapped it. Okay. In fact, even if I pulled it down, there you go, $5.3 trillion, guys. I wouldn't be messing around this right now. So, okay, let's go and have a look at the trading view chart here for you guys. And let's go and have a look at CTI very quickly. Is there any other coins you guys want to have a look at for now? Chirp to the moon for sure, Ed Guerrera. Absolutely, champion. Capri Caesar, hey champion. YK, I hope you're on the channel because we're about to do CTI. All right. And if you don't get to see this, then come back and watch the video and you can fast forward to the section. CTI, USDT. All right, what's going on here? What's going on? Why are we not clicking? We seem to be stalled here. All right. Okay. Let's refresh this, guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. You have liked the video. I will leave these 2 videos, these 3 videos, even these 4 videos pinned in the cards in this video because you guys should not be missing out. Especially my meme video, guys. I thought my meme video would have got thousands of views by at least one view from each of you, but clearly that did not happen. So what's going on here? Okay, my trading view does seem to be wanting to load here very nicely. So let us go onto here and let's go and find CTI. Okay, I'm going to do CTI and I'm going to do Chirp because I do own both of them. And then we're going to have a little bit of a look at this DGen as well. And then we'll have a look at my trades. So make sure to take a look at my trades first. So guys, this coin was released like 2 months ago. It's already done 75,000%. And you can get DGen tokens on the centralized and decentralized crypto exchanges. So you guys can go check those out there and go and find those. Now, all right, this coin is now a $213 million market cap. It has been pumping like absolute crazy over the last, as I said, 75,000% gain. So as you can see, like usually coins like this are crazy, guys, but it's still a very low market cap and there's still lots of potential to be coming into the space. So I wouldn't like let this just slide under the radar is really all I'm saying to you guys in this. So let's go and have a look at CTI USDT. Alrighty. Here is my Clintex chart. Where is my Clintex? On KuCoin. There you go. Let's go and open this up, guys. Okay, we'll come back to that. But here is Clintex. Clintex is now ranked 1,761. Only 7,899 people added this to their portfolio. Oh no. Guys, we still only have a $5.8 million market cap. I don't know about you, but this is a coin you want to be investing in. Look at the buy that we have seen here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at the bottom. I told you guys about this coin down here. I think I even told you over here and over here. So I mostly told you over here. Guys, this was down here at 0.005. It's now 10x already. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I've already 10x my money. And I'm going to continue to 10x my money on this coin. And this will, with a very small market cap of about $5.8 million right now and fully diluted, there, circulating, they got about 50% in circulation. So, like, you know, guys, for me, this coin is magic. Look at this, guys. In the last 7 months, this coin has done 14,000%. Okay. So I want to go and have a quick squiz at the chart here because the high on this coin was $1. So let's go to the coin perspective, okay? You guys know that I like looking on coin perspective for pricing and kind of market cap values and where we could potentially see each coin. So this gives us huge indication. Okay, so first of all, I just want to show you, even though we're having a bit of sell pressure on the RSI right now, as well as a little bit, I mean, look at where the RSI is, guys. Why would we, I mean, look at it, we've retested the breakout. Okay, so we broke out here with massive volume, massive pump. We broke out here, we're retesting. I wouldn't be surprised. I don't see us breaking this low here, to be very honest with you. Let's remove that line. And look at this W pattern, which has a target of the top of the downsloping trend, which it's broken out of, all the way up here at, call it 18 cents, 20 cents. Just call it 20 cents, guys, for the sake of this. 20 cents. That is literally a 4x from where it is right now. Okay, just on its own. Okay, and then it still hasn't gone all the way up to the next level up here at 30 cents, which would then be a 3x from there, which means that from now to there, that's a 6x. Then all the way up to this, which would essentially be a 20x gain on your capital, just to that $1 level. Now, I believe CTI is going to go way, way, way more ballistic than that. And I have shown you guys this before. So this is definitely a nice hype video for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you are, smash the thumbs up on the video. What is going on here? The internet is buffering. It's telling me there's no connection. That's why it's struggling. Okay. But essentially, guys, okay, I would like to see this at least. I mean, even if this hit a $100 billion market cap, let's look at a $100 billion market cap on this coin, guys. I think a $100 billion market cap on this coin, honestly, is way, way, way doable. I think you can do a tremendous amount more than $100 billion on this. Okay, this is going to take too long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my calculator for us. Okay, calculator. Okay, there you go, guys. So let's go get our calculator. Now let's draw back here. So let's just say $100 billion divided by this amount. So that you guys can see this. 100, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, $100 billion divided by 5832920 will give us a 17,144x gain on your money. Guys, this is serious. Like, I mean, if you've seen, I just showed you a coin here that just did 75,000% gain. Shiba Inu did a few million% gain, 29 million% gain. So what's to say that this couldn't do a 17,000x gain, which essentially would be a 171,000% gain? Guys, this is not a joke. Okay, Chirply is the same. Let's go and have a look at Chirp. All right, we'll have a very quick squiz at Chirp. And then I'm going to just throw in one for the sake of throwing in one here for you guys that I think is another one that you absolutely, undoubtedly have to keep your eyeballs on right now. So Chirply is only at 17.6 million. I think Chirply can do also a $100 billion market cap in this cycle. It's got a very nice circulating supply. It's already done 2,000%. So I think it can do a lot more than that. You can buy Chirply on Bybit using my Bybit link down below. Let's go and take it to a $100 billion market cap as well. $100 billion. Okay. Divided by 17,689,766. That will give us a 5,652x gain on your money, guys. So you invest $100. So times $100, you'll convert $100 into $565,298. Where the heck else can you make this kind of money? That's why you guys subscribe to my channel, because I show you coins like this. Now I'm going to give you another one, okay, that you guys, if you guys have not yet gotten this, when I told you it's already 10x from where I bought it from. I actually got my brother into it, Capri. YK, like I said, $100 billion. This market cap is my prediction for CTI. I really think it'll get to $100 billion. Now, I want to draw back here to Orange for you guys. Orange is currently only a $40 million market cap. So you can see it's double what the others are, but it's got less in supply. Circulating is around the same as those other two as well. We have seen an 861% pump in the last 2 months. Okay, it's literally 10x just about from where it is, where it started. And this is a Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin wallet coin, guys. This is, I don't know about you, but $40 million. I think Orange could probably hit, I would say in this cycle, $200 billion. Okay, I'm going to go with my $200 billion on Orange. Okay, and that's why I invested big bags in Orange. Okay, divide this by 40, 823. That'll give you also a 5,000x gain. So if you've invested $1,000 into this times $1,000, okay, you're going to become a millionaire. A millionaire. You're going to become a millionaire. Okay, so don't be misplaced by dips. Buy the dips where you possibly can. These projects are on their move. Look at this. It's getting ready. It's getting ready to break through its high. Guys, I would still buy this coin below $2. Okay, right now in this bull cycle is what I would say. Anything below $2 is a good buy. Anything after $2 might start getting a little bit pricey. So, YK, I hope you enjoyed those. I gave you guys some good ammo there. Now, use my Bybit link to come and trade with me. Look at this, guys. I want to show you my Pepe trade a little bit earlier on, but you can see. Look at my trade here. Higher lows, excuse me. And now we're starting to break higher highs over here out of the pattern. So for me, that's looking good. I'm going to show you the Pepe trade that I got in this kind of like this afternoon. Actually, it was like 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago, maybe. And look at on the 1 hour how precisely I got into this trade, guys. This has been one of my coolest trades that I have. Look at this here. I'll even go down to the 15 minutes so that you can actually see where I literally got into the trade on the candle, because you can see that it was literally at the bottom of this buy. So I got in on this candle. Why? Because I could see the selling was dying. Okay, look how much buy pressure started to come in around here. I just said, nah, this is a fake bottom. And look at us. We hit a bottom and a bottom, which makes a double bottom. And if you look at the 4 hour, okay, look at the higher lows and the inverse head and shoulders pattern also busy forming. So why would I not? Even if we retrace a little bit down here, guys, I'll just add some more to my position and it will raise the position a little bit. But like we can go all the way up to here minimum, guys. Pepe in itself. Do you want to go and have a little bit of a look at Pepe? Let's go and look at Pepe very quickly, guys. I'm going to have a look at Pepe for you guys. And there are so many other meme coins that you can make crazy gains. Pepe is currently at a $3.5 billion market cap. I think Pepe could get to a $200 billion market cap and supersede the likes of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in this cycle. Now, why do I say that? Well, I say that, so that's 200 million, 2 billion, 20 billion, 200 billion, because Shiba Inu in itself went up to a $90 billion market cap. Doge went up to 90 billion, and Shiba went up to like a 55 or 60 billion dollar market cap. So with more money, ETFs, and a whole bunch of other dynamics that I've gone through in this video with you, why would we not see higher prices? So $200 billion market cap divided by $3.5 billion. That will still give, sorry guys, I did that wrong. $200 billion divided by $3.5 billion, 35,350, 3.5 billion, gives us a 57x gain on your money. So even if you invested $1,000 into this coin today, even if you did a 10x leverage and you waited for it to hit this kind of these levels that we're talking about, 10x leverage, guys, you can make bucket loads of money. But if you just did this on spot, your $1,000 would turn into $57,000. That is still life-changing money for so many people. You can take that and reinvest it. Now, 57x gain, if you were doing a 10x leverage and you invested the $1,000 into that trade, okay, so times $1,000 times 10, with the same trade, just using it in leverage, okay, with the same money, using it in leverage now, you can make $570,000. And that's why I like sharing my links down below with you guys, because there'll be multiple ways for you to trade. Yes, using derivatives is certainly more risky than buying it on spot, but if you're playing with the $1,000, okay, and you want to make some money, buy it on leverage and just sit and wait patiently for it to just cruise its way up, guys. I mean, you can make up to $570,000 from $1,000, guys. Don't be fooled, man. We can make lots of money in the space. Now, let's go and have a squiz here at my trades, and then I will end off the video for the day. So here is my Pepe trade. You see, I only put $12 into this trade, and it's a 15x trade. I bought 25,000 Pepe. It's at $186 value. Okay, so if we do end up retesting here, as I said, I'll probably end up adding like $50 to this trade, because this is undoubtedly going up. So I will add more to the position. I'll try to build it to like a $100 position, giving us that $1,000 value, which means that with my $100, I'll make about $57,000 out of that trade. So you see what I mean? How you can build up your wealth, guys. This is very easy. Now, Aptos is up 142%. I'd like to get each of these trades up to about $100 each. Okay, so obviously I've bought them and they are already pumping, but now they're starting to break through very similar levels like this, which tells me that with a bit of a retest here, we could actually see the market really start to get its next leg up. Okay, so I bought this BOMI 10,000 of it, 10x leverage. I'm up 313% on the trade. My Bitcoin trade is up 527%. I got into a GMT trade with a 10x leverage this morning. I'm up 10% on the trade. My GRT trade is up 96%. My PITH is up 150%. And my Solana is up 134%, guys. So you guys can see there, my trades are up. If you guys want to trade like a king, like a boss with me, subscribe, like the content, share this video wherever you thought valuable, and come over and hit my Bybit and Bitflix links. Get $128,888 bonus, and let's go and trade together. Let's go make some money. I truly appreciate every single one of you blessed and beautiful beings. I have enjoyed this live session with you, and I hope you found huge value in this. And let's go and make some money out there together, guys. Subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Take care, and see you later. Have a good Monday.